Okay, members, here we are to start the game with a jump ball. And the first overwhelming thought that I would give you is, at this point, be ready to referee. That means that jump ball, even though it only happens once a game during a regular 40 minutes, you want to know your responsibility. So the U1 official at the top has got the responsibility of the jumpers. The U2 gives back to us as the responsibility of the non-jumpers. The tosser is number one responsibility is to get the ball up in between the two players high enough that there's a jump. And also know the responsibility of these two players, but be ready to call things like stealing of the tap. Also, at the tosses and poor toss, be ready to call it back. And so we're going to run this play. It's kind of interesting. And the officials ultimately got this play. But the other thing is, you see, there's a pretty serious size mismatch here between the gentleman from UC Irvine. So you can maybe think that there might be something that will happen that Long Beach would do to try to offset the size difference. So you want to be ready for something atypical, and that's exactly what happened here. So I'm going to run we'll run the video as the ball is tossed, and you can see that the jumper left the circle that wants to go to catch the basketball, and the official was back to us, came and got the play. Now, that jumper may not be the first to catch the ball unless an opponent's got to touch it first or has to hit the floor. But he can't be first, which he was there. All right, and know that also that when the ball is tapped, it can only be tapped twice. And also, there can be contact on jump ball plays. You see this more prevalently in professional basketball, and that in professional basketball, those plays are called a loose ball foul. So you want to be ready to referee. If there's illegal contact on the people in the circle, if any of those things are happening, then you want to be ready to call fouls, violations, and get out of the gate on a positive way and get the first plays, the first sequence right. That really just comes from mental preparation and being locked in to start the game.